Kenyam Nirmala. Welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to talk about set in mathematics, and I want to teach a unit called set to those students who are in grade 6. So if you are somebody who want to learn about set, you are in the right video. I am going to explain this unit in thok nath or in your language. So if you are not getting anything, please try to recommend what I can do here. I will speak in thok nath and I will explain how a set work. I will define the meaning of a set. I will talk about the type of set also in this video. Mi jirama jidit ka jan channel me dongo jirama te ka class bakel ka gur jeno dere set dere janga jeno ngumulot set mo ba set ba je explain ka thok nath ka ba je ladya ka thok English ka ta dan lede ka je ki ta dan let set ka je okay bana right ka quiz set ka kenyam what is set angulo mo mi jiran dong ajan first time ko bi set dong bijanga jeno set ngulu mo set jen awa kongwane ti cha roll ti cha lat ka bon kel ka to English la jalar ko ne set is a collection of distinct object awa ken kongwane ti shirt ti jal kel distinct object shall ke element ka tukando dien dungno chakulo and set point a collection of those elements element to should kamichu kon larno A B C D E kan shall ke element duno mi shaka mat gwat kel shaka collect shaka lat ka bon kel mo bon kel ba sholidi ba shol set dio je she understand and tama set is a collection of element, a collection of object. All these distinct objects when are collected and put in one place then surely set. So keep this in mind. If someone asks you what is set in mathematics, just define it this way. A sets are a collection of a distinct object. Okay, you can tell them that way. Alaken kangwani ti shadwal gwaskel ti labonkel. Okay, ajan tadanan bi cholka janon. Muku kon ben gwasa me abana man dana right kon ka kwi topic am right kon ka kwi de men wale. Ka kwi mathematic malone set. Kenyam en set karwada mukon le chole. Set then is well defined as a collection of distinct objects considered as an object in its own right. The objects in a set are called elements or members of the set. Sets are typically represented by listing the element between curly braces. Tukon ke michalat gwasa me muguro no dong de nyaka ye long me very important me pick up ka jikel. Alaken la kona shore chalat la bracket brace. Ala bracket chana ko chola bracket. Dundo take mela gwal ka baja gwal. Ala en brace mo a bracket ala ken element tin sha kula collect. Okay? Tin cha collect ala tin content cha kula collect tin tere set ka. Okay? Ala members of a set are called element. And members of a set shwalka ke element. Tikon ka example gwasame mede kona kan misha kam kon mugur no banyo diba. Chakon jogunene, the set of natural number less than 5. Natural number ketin toka ka kelero diok ngwan. Duno chakula ro tin queen ken ka die. Die me chawe natural number less than 5. Lorkano ala number tin de jo die ka wukujamo. Chalka kedi chalka ken wo keset. Biga sugar pin. Take on ka brace gwasame curly breast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amen. 1, 2, 3, 4 or more. Quid me chanyo moich ka brace bonne 1, 2, 3, 4. Di and then a time a shed can. Many American a shed can allow 1, 2, 3, 4 wa ke less than 5. Queen can come, queen can kadich. Namakaro ada to tondo shar all guhaskele shalake case set. Chakonyo moika shadadian. Example, another example here. The set of a vowel in the English alphabet. Vowel ngay kon letter jet ke A, E, I, O, U. Anyo kuje mi A, E, I, O, U. Ano. Ken to shalka kedi shalka case set. Misha ay yugo nene. Okay. The object in a set. Key members in the set. Tintere set karejami. Shalka kedi shalka ke element. So I should forget. Seda ka bonatin bondana chalat gwaskel. Michaga roll can element yala yala gwa bachole de bachole set. Dungdo mi. Chenau radian. Tintere then set tintere rejami. De ke sholde. Because shalka ke element. Take a type of set. The deran kangach. Type of set. The konga shol no sherikan ke dup ten shalka set. Take a dup the shop ka one ki dich the kwa set kwa ile sholka ke. Dup the shop ka di the shop ka one ki dich. Bakuli sholo tato kangune a set ka mathematic dung grade sek right kon ka kwidama. Bukon gwasame te mishal empty set. Empty set me jen awa a set with no element denoted by curly brace or this bracket with empty number in it or empty element inside. A set with no element, jen shwale empty set. A jen type of set and yamanamo. Empty set. Ke mishal ke null set. You keep it in mind. Mishai jogono type of set ke long bilara no mishality empty. Empty set a set with no element. Empty set jen awa a set ke bon methylated raider. Bon methylaramit raider shwale empty set. Rewda gwath matokon mishale finite set. Finite. Finite set a set with limited number of elements. Finite wajen te a bon metana raider do no needed raider kitten raider quicken. Chicken we wonyam. She example changun gwasame 2, 4, 6, atil kom chachu ga breast. Curly brace. Jina kuje mi chanyo go kwenyok 2, 4, 6 chanyo gak. Migwi jantame take a limited number of elements. Limited a pick me check a judge me chawanyam. Finite set a set with a limited number of elements. Shawanyam charge tumka chalele cha gorge 2, 4, 6 yato. 2, 4, 6 yato kono. A set with a limited number of elements. A large and finite set a bon metaganate taught to chawanyam. Chechet ke imite set a picon lat ko imite set telemet niam telemet raid. A bon methylated raid tele members. Telena nate raid was me ke telang one chala raid. Yen shall imite set. But finite set jen a set ke bon metena raid bane to take a peg. Chicken go one yam te peg me shall considered and go be peg waterman. Shall lady shwale finite set. Diodian gwasame tem shwale infinite set. Infinite man lode jen katang want to nyam titel good shwale infinite. Infinite set, a set with an unlimited number of elements. Chakon make example gwasame kojen awa ebon mite katang wanted to read titel peke de shalwanga queen. Jen shwale dia, jen shwale infinite set, a set with an unlimited number of elements. Chakon make example the set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural number temi changun gwadame 1 2 3 ka bracket cha tom cha moy commercial la kona shore no capchong cha nyogo la tong mi 1 2 3 cha moy ka done mi guje mi cha tom ne nyodo je we ko won yam tele good gen chwale di chwale infinite set, a set with unlimited number of elements. Baje chole di baje chole no infinite set. A bon mitegnate want cha peg dien cha jalwanka queen kabeno a check. Number 4 types of sets is subset. Temishal subset. A set AA is a subset of BB if every element of AA is also an element of BB. Mishal subset. Mishan jangaje no tukon KA take AA. Ano. Ka take BB. Ka chala take B chala take AA kene BB. Nyen kwa kono jogo nana. Mi tenteka A mishiko George ka B ka tenteka B shiko George ka A baje chole di A a subset of B. Alama chi element kon bona me ne din tin mishigalo George ka bona mi nyok ala kan des kene de kelato te ka bona me ka bon A ka chigalo to ba ka bon B tonga mi ba cholo ka ngane ken chwalka ke subset. Again, for example, A set AA is a subset of set BB if every element of AA is also an element of BB. Element ki tin kwan ki member second take A metek and ke BB ken baga chola di baga chola no ke subset. Correct kon ke set. What me took on the last type of set, the universal set. A universal set, the set that contain all the object under consideration often denoted by UU. Men chalar guatame, Allah can all this object should commission example when and time chakon larno A take 1 2 3, B take A B C, D take 1 2 5 6 and so on. Michigan dial chika bejoy guasame ka ngade ka jan universal ka brass ka bracelet ka brace kela mala curly brace ka bracket kela makan dial chika joy rede a chaka good rate kan dial ka tekan kujemi jan chwala universal set. Universal set tel ram logo and go tika bona me shu ben ka bonda ti dial ko ke include jan chwala universal set ka je. The set that contain all the object, michala all the object, element ideal, all the object under consideration, often denoted by UU, are called universal set. Dewa jango shiro do mekan tama ka jan lisaname. Chikoro ikongu chikoro ike set. Set jan a mathematics unit murai kui element raja ka kui object ni keten kon tilat karodian chet ka bon chikon shungaje no n fonde n set a collection of distinct object wajan mat ngwani ti chala gwaskel la mat boni ki mat members ti cha kulas ka bon kel ki chana cha ga da ka bon jena wa take a mishali di empty set la type of set mit yog jeno type of set ngaka ki dere kalat man yam chwale di chwale empty set. Empty set a wotele set tele native rate and bonamo a bon metal ram deten. To kono mishala finite finite set. Finite set wajan take a member do no members ke limited ala te ping muchari ala kan obetere bon kanamo. To kon ke infinite set. Infinite set a wajan bonamo a bon mi cha pick the charge longer queen. Take unlimited members te thin and guas monyan chwale infinite set. One dien to kon ke men chol konen go a subset. Subset ala element A kan element B me chat nyin ken bon ken lo kan bona kelo man eren to guas mi kan ta bona me nyoko ba chole subset ko element kan dial perken. A chang lel ka long one kan e to B ka ten e to ka A ti chi u joy kan dial ka B tong mi no ba chwale de chwale subset. Men jok a mishal ke universal set. Universal set foinde wajan a set ki a bon monog anaran. Tiga bona mi tiga bona mo jatok baga mat gwaskel kan dial lo jin members ka jan bona mo kan dial wa ku all the elements ki object ku ka combine together and the consideration and sharing kata da na shiga ben ka jagwas mi ka buga ta gwaz mu kan dial shwale de shwale universal set gwaye kajaname we only define and we explain our set work. Kenek listen bana rach kata dan mission sheben lo don charge ti jen ojin ko te ko ngwa lon ka jen set the right content or te kan kon kalat mi chai jugo no set of A 1 2 3 ka set of B A B C you know don de jugo no many subset many je kamratin ki don de jugo no many ka te mi chal ke whole number, k hot number, k event number, k intentional natural number, many a kamrat and there a batch. Kate ritual gabon proper subset, kakan taken a k symboli, dong miguji and go dairy and gaja go, dairy and I get taken dial, coacha listen a macharia leka, go general dairy kagwar, ki dairy listen to the and dairy jagwar. Baja gorgwas me ko bi aja kula jaka ta dan de yerun nge kaja ka kwi mask ko mas me chwale sete gur jeno de rande te ka foundation ke da ja understand mi jiram te grade 6 you know miti ka suggestion ba ka jan kwi na makabo de re lara dong de listen mo de jere aleka de je nong ya ka do dan de ja understand neg listen bana lane calculation de en michal ke sete mi sheben dong charge ti ko shi gur no de je cham no malabe men grade 12 mi shon de sheben da gwano da ran da jagor ene bana jigumro dien ya tega mal bye bye